somewhere in the Indian Ocean. A solitary bird skimming across the water's surface. A fang-tooth fish, armed with oversized teeth, patrolling silently through the water. Its sixth sense, detecting the presence of a creature moving above. A warning reaches the bird just in time. Startled, the bird's wings beating furiously against the air. With a sudden burst of energy, the fang-tooth catapulted itself out of the water. The fang-tooth, mid-air, fails to catch its prey, somersaults before splashing back into the water. That was a fortunate day for this little bird.